Okay, here we go. Finally. Whoop, got delayed. Got delayed at the post office. So here it is. Well, the back of it at least. Wow, that's white. Yeah, I'm still at mom and dad, but this will be my last night. All right. Because we just got done hauling a lot of stuff today, and we've been spending the last few days putting up blackout blinds and cleaning and stuff like that. Anyway, let's look at this first. I took all my batteries back with me and my other alarms, so I'll have to give you a part 2 tomorrow night. No, that's a lie. And if you want to read, just pause. That's just the same side. All right, here's the alarm. This is really cool. I don't think there's a battery in it, but you can see the electromechanical horn. Here's a sec. Ooh, that's thicker than a first alert. That's thicker than a first alert. It would be alerta. So gotta make sure there's no battery in there. That finger out of the way. Here's the test button. There's the manual, but let's see the alarm first. Let's see. I think it pulls off. The cover pulls off just like a first alert. See, it even has the Y-shaped slot and the tabs. It's got a dual Y-shaped slot. So here's the horn. See if we can see what it is. Nope. I don't see any brand name on it. No, that's just a cardboard thing, so this is probably what touches the sensor, which is right here. Kind of interesting. Almost looks like a diffuser for a sprinkler. Sensor itself kind of has that same look as the other Westclox. Yeah, this is a really cool unit. I like it. Let's see if there's anything on here. Yep. Pulsating sound indicates alarm. So this probably does like the other ones did. Plus when I get back tomorrow, I can show you the comparison with the first alert, of course. So here's the manual. Again, if you want to read, just pause. Basically, all we have to move back tomorrow is just the drums and the keyboard. Of course, I'll take more time to read this off video. I like how it uses like a perspective view, or like the dollhouse view on the Matterport viewings. You know, you've seen that in my videos. I have to upload the rest of them. Is that the last page? I think it is. So there's the back. All right, we can take a last look at the alarm. We got to look at this. CSFM. 78. So we can take one last look. Oh, that pushes down like that. Let's see. Touching something else, I think. Can't really see what it would touch to make a contact for the test switch. Again, let's see if I can see anything on the horn, what brand it is. Nope. So yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I don't think a first alert cover would fit on this because these come out too far. Being a first alert, of course, I'm surprised that Westclox never got sued. Saying that, if you were to ignore these, it looks just like a first alert cover, and ignore the button in the middle. Either that or look like the old 77, or not 77, SS74 covers. Yeah, I really like this. So let's cut to tomorrow when I'm going to test it. I was going to set it up for the picture, but then I saw that this was still in the box. Little brochure. There you go. All right. Now let's cut to tomorrow.
The next day.
Back home. You got a battery. I'll put it in. Might chirp at us. iPhone slipping. Well, you heard it beep. All right, here we go. Test. Yeah, pretty cool sound. Here, get my head plugs off. Head plugs, earplugs. Here we go again. All right. Nice sound though. It's probably one of the highest pitched alarms I have as far as electromechanicals. So there you go, folks. All right. Okay, one last one. All right. Thanks for watching.